Hi guys! Today we're going to be drawing the legendary Autobot medic, Ratchet. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our cute and easy drawing tutorials. Also, if you feel like I'm drawing too fast, remember you can always change the video speed in the bottom right corner of your screen. Take your time, relax, and let's bring this awesome healer to life. As we draw, I'll be sharing some fun facts and cool details about Ratchet from the movies, comics, and cartoons.
Fun fact, did you know that Ratchet is the official chief medical officer for the Autobots in almost every major series, including the classic G1 cartoons? He's the bot you call when Optimus Prime is having a rough day. Interesting detail. Ratchet's alt mode is always an ambulance. In the first 2007 live-action movie, he transformed into a bright yellow search and rescue Hummer H2 ambulance. Cool info. Even though he's a medic, Ratchet is totally ready for a fight. He's equipped with a terranium buzzsaw and crazy precision tools that he can use to take apart a Decepticon just as easily as he can fix an Autobot. A scary detail. This one's a little intense. In some movie lore, it's hinted that Ratchet is capable of cannibalistic treatment, meaning he might use parts from fallen enemies or even minor parts from himself to give emergency aid to his team. That is commitment. Interesting fact, believe it or not, in some comic storylines, like the IDW continuity, Ratchet was actually a bit of a party-loving bot before the war started, which is a huge change from the stressed, grumpy medic we usually see. Fun fact, back in the G1 cartoon, Ratchet was often paired up with Wheeljack, the wacky Autobot scientist. They were the ultimate lab partners, always cooking up new gadgets on the Ark. Interesting detail. Ratchet is famous for his super dry wit and sarcasm. He often gives his wounded buddies a hard time for getting hurt, but deep down, he totally cares. He's the classic grumpy old man with a heart of gold character. Cool info. In the Transformers Prime series and the War for Cybertron games, Ratchet often takes on a mentor role, teaching younger bots like Bumblebee all about first aid and science stuff. Interesting fact. Despite initially not wanting humans around, Ratchet eventually grew to really admire humanity's fight and resilience, and he was even known to help the human kids with their science homework. A heroic fact. In the classic Marvel US comics, Ratchet went out like a legend. He sacrificed his life by deliberately causing the Autobot ship, the Ark, to crash land to stop some dangerous Decepticon cargo from reaching Earth. Talk about a final massive save.
And there you have it. We've successfully drawn Ratchet. Don't forget, you can download the Ratchet coloring page in the description box below. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with ideas for the next character you want to see us draw. Bye-bye.